Change management is the lifeblood of any dynamic organization. It is the catalyst that propels businesses forward, enabling them to adapt, evolve, and stay ahead in a rapidly shifting landscape. At the heart of successful change management lies a powerful tool, the force field analysis. Developed by social psychologist Kurt Lewin, this tool helps businesses navigate the choppy waters of change by analyzing the driving and restraining forces at play. Force field analysis, in essence, is a method to visualize the pressures for and against a change. It is a tool to help you understand the balance of power in a change situation and identify the key factors that can help you make the change successfully. It is a structured approach to understanding the complexities of change and developing a robust strategy to manage it. To conduct a force field analysis, one must first define the current state. This is the existing situation or condition before any changes are proposed. It is the baseline against which all future changes will be measured. Next, define the desired state. This is the goal, the ultimate objective of the proposed change. It is the vision that the organization wishes to realize. Now, list the driving forces. These are the factors that are pushing in the direction of the change. They could be internal or external, tangible or intangible, but they are all propelling the organization towards the desired state. Then list the restraining forces. These are the factors that are resisting the change, that are acting as obstacles or barriers to reaching the desired state. They could be people, processes, structures, or even beliefs and attitudes. Once the driving and restraining forces have been identified, assign scores to each force based on their strength or impact. This step is crucial as it provides a quantifiable measure of the forces at play and helps in prioritizing actions. Draw a diagram with the driving forces on one side and the restraining forces on the other. This visual representation will provide a clear picture of the forces at work and their relative strengths. Analyzing the results of the force field diagram will reveal which forces need to be strengthened, weakened, or removed altogether to facilitate the desired change. Finally, develop an action plan. This plan should outline the steps to increase the driving forces, decrease the restraining forces, or both. It is a roadmap that will guide the organization from the current state to the desired state. To conclude, force field analysis is a powerful tool in the arsenal of change management. It provides a systematic and structured approach to understanding the forces for and against a proposed change, and helps develop a strategy to manage these forces effectively. It is a critical step in the journey towards successful change management. Remember, change is inevitable, but how we manage it makes all the difference.